Welcome to the Stevie Show. So this is the house, yeah. There's a tractor in there and everything. Little miniature tractor. You trampled the weeds down for me, yeah? Cheers, mate.
There's a track.
Yeah, sort of.
I walked through it. I think there's still access.
Access?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is like a little barn. Just chocker full of stuff. All sorts.
There's a way in.
There's a way in, yeah.
So the door's open still.
Oh yeah, on the window.
No, we don't use that.
Is it blown and caught onto the trees?
Everything's still here.
Oh yeah.
There's two pianos in here, there's an organ in there.
Well, well, well. Yeah, this is a proper abandonment, isn't it?
Yeah.
They've just left it.
Full of stuff in here too.
Scales. Don't work. There's a guy. I take it there was fishermen or into the boats or something then.
Something like that.
Yeah, so there's pictures of boats and there's a fisherman up there. Everything's still in here. Birds have made nests on top. Wow. Can I have bees or something? I can hear Alex playing. What the hell is that thing? God knows what that is. It's like some sort of a shearer or something. It looks a bit. I don't know. Yeah, oily fingers now.
The main organ still works.
Does it work? Yeah. And what did you call this one? The organ house.
Yeah. I think I called it organ playing in abandoned house.
There. The options. Take a few snaps back again. What we got here as well, we've got a bit of camp. Bit of camp there, Alex.
Mm.
Watch out, there's some pictures. Yeah, it's proper abandonment in this one.
It's still the same as when I came.
Is it the same, yeah? Petite.
My friend played this. I don't know how to play an organ, but he played it in the video. He played a really good tune on it as well.
He played a really good tune on it.
Yeah.
It's actually quite good that they've actually, people have left the money here as well. That's quite surprising. Half pennies. It's good. A few pictures. Yeah, I've just never known about this one. Never known.
It's upstairs.
It's pretty crackers. All the windows are gone through,
Yeah.
but everything's still on the shelves.
Yeah.
I've got to have a go at playing this. Can you hold? Can you do some camera holding?
Sure.
So. Right. So you pump it and do it. Do you?
Yeah.
So when you press it, don't do anything. Can you do it slowly? Oh, there's two pedals.
Yeah, the other one never worked.
I bet that's what they used to do when they used to play it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's what they would have done, isn't it? Had two. I'm assuming, anyway.
Yeah.
There's a fireplace taking pictures of. The beacon for you.
Well,
Man staircase, yeah?
yeah.
Yeah, what's that? Is that... Oh, owls have been in here as well. Oh. There's even an old Ericsson box.
You might want to go in there on your own because it's a bit small. It's the bathroom, but it's full.
Oh, okay.
Whoa!
What?
That's the fake pigeon.
Oh, there's a fake pigeon. Bloody no. Yeah, it's full.
See, you look behind you, watch out.
Do us a favour.
Yeah.
Just do like a put your head around here and not the pigeon's head and go, welcome to the STG show. Hang on, just let me right. Go on then.
Welcome to the STG show.
That will be my intro now. I've got a little hi-fi type job, old-fashioned Toshiba. That would have been good in its day. Stacker type thing. Bath's full of stuff. Don't know if it's floor safe. Look, cabinet in the corner. Little room.
I'm gonna have a go at making some music.
Well, there's some more music stuff up here as well.
There's more stuff.
More bird's nest there. More books. That's not the same pigeon, is it? Oh, that's a... Oh, there's another bird here. More books. What's left? Crackers, isn't it? Shame. You'd have thought they'd have been able to do with something because there's no. I know the walls are cracking, But considering the age of this place, what's this? Oh. Okay, is that supposed to open? It has been open before. Oh, there's a bit around here. Snoopy. This is a good one, Alex. You've never ever shared this one with me.
All we need to do is find the end.
Who does this house belong to? I'll cover the address up. This house belonged to Alex Thompson. That's
don't put that in the
That's peculiar, isn't it? Having the same name as you.
We need to find the bit that goes on the end, and then we can actually play some music in here.
Yeah. Are they the model aeroplanes that I use on about? They're pretty mad, aren't they? They're old model aeroplanes, them, aren't they?
Yeah.
Proper old school.
I also saw the world's biggest spider in here a few seconds ago as well.
Oh, lovely. Like a good spider. Got clothes in there. What are you looking for? That bit that...
Yeah, I tried to find it last time so I could play some music. I never did find the damn thing. You can literally wind it up and play records.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No electricity needed. I thought it'd be cool.
Oh, yeah, it's one of them wind up. Yeah, I know what you mean.
But I never did find the blooming sound box.
Yeah, there's a lot of planes in here as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's another thingy there. Oh, they're wings for one of them, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh.
Some of them can get quite big.
I was going to say, yeah, that's really light, that is.
Yeah.
Another one down there as well. Oh, God, tripping over, wrecking the place now.
Oh, I thought you'd been to this.
No, never done this one. I like this one. Yeah. Ooh. Someone left me a message because I burped. They said, "Have you got no manners?" I thought, I've got a few, but it just comes out, doesn't it? It just comes out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Out your way.
Fairly cool one, I suppose. A bit noisy. I
What?
think there's chicks in the attic. I can hear them squeaking now. Have a look at the cars then.
Yeah.
Have a little storage here.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Just electrical stuff in here.
Well, them old headsets.
I know. Loads of stuff.
Jesus.
It's another house of everything.
It is another house. Little radio there.
World War II carbon microphone.
Oh, yeah. All sorts, isn't there? It would take work, but I can't see any signs of water coming through, can you?
No.
Crackers.
That one works as well.
It's just. go through all this weeds again. So it is a public footpath coming through here anyway.
Oh no, those cars were there.
Oh, the
They just, I came at night, so I didn't see them. Which is a look. Landy.
yeah, someone's had the wheel off it.
That was something like that.
Was it? Where's it stuck? There. Something in my eye again. Was weird in that.
Pigeon.
Well, sound like someone pushing a wheelbarrow.
Yeah. Could take a look at them other cars because I haven't seen those.
So what we got, Alex?
Wow. I don't know, there's a thing covering the steering wheel.
Bloody short. Nettles. Oh god. Oh, my ankles are fucked now anyway, fuck it. Just walk fucking through it all. That one's Ford, isn't it? I think that's Vauxhall, and that was, I don't know.
I'm not going to go much further.
I'm not too sure. Oh, itchy.
What?
Itchy.
You wore shorts?
Yeah. It's summer. It is, I think. It's a Peugeot. Bloody hell, bloody things. Yeah. What was it? N852 CET. I like that blue one though.
Yeah. Isn't it a Citroen?
A Citroen?
Yeah.
I don't know, is it?
I don't know.
Bloody metals. What's a Saab? I'm sure that's a Ford bloody... It's not a Sierra, is it? Not Sierra, it predates Sierras, I think. Yeah, Saab. I won't mind getting to just have a quick look at what numbers on the back, so I can slightly give someone some information for a change. It is a Saab 99 GL Comfort, and it says Comfort on the side. 99 GL Comfort. So you go and subscribe to his channel because he's the one who's given me this one, Mr. Lordkill. Good boy. And drop me a sub as well if you want. It'd be nice. Getting a lot of views but not a lot of subs. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Bye. Before I finish off, Alex just pointed out there's an old tractor in here as well, which is surrounded by nettles, but that one is a David Brown, sorry, 30D, if you're into your trackers.